How to see your bookmarks on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to see your bookmarks on Opera Mini easy and fast. So all what you have to do, go to Opera Mini. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is click down here on this Opera icon down here and click on the bookmarks option. And right here you will find all your bookmarks easily, as you can see, easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.